I think that there is an obsession with Donald Trump that is pushing out inquiry into other avenues that could be fruitful. I think one of the ironies of the obsession with Donald Trump is that it has made them incredibly ineffective at criticizing Donald Trump. There are dozens of things that are happening at the Bureau of Land Management, the Department of Agriculture, all of these other places in the administration where there is cronyism and malfeasance going on, and none of it is being exposed because of the monomaniacal obsession with Donald Trump's latest scandal, his latest tweet-driven scandal, most likely, or something like Ukraine-gate, which, look, it's obvious what he did, but do you want to spend all of your time and energy on something that's going to lead to nothing when there are all these other things like health care and the fact that he has a lawsuit that's going to take away pre-existing conditions coverage? Why not focus on that? I mean, their obsession makes them bad decision makers politically.
Yeah, I would say so. I mean, yeah, the focus sometimes of what makes the news and what should make the news aggravates me. And it makes it easy for me in a lot of respects because everything that I talk about that the media ignores, people tend to think it's conspiracy theory. And then when they find out that what I'm talking about is not conspiracy theory, they immediately go, well, wait a minute, I thought you were a conspiracy theorist. I said, no. I analyze parapolitical topics. I analyze the conspiracy treachery. And if there's something to be said about this, then I certainly will talk about it. That's why the Iowa caucus story yesterday was just, it's like a Christmas present. It was beautiful. It was like right there, just like the Jeffrey Epstein case. It's like, oh, so everybody's going to be a conspiracy theorist today. Fantastic. I can jump in and say, well, I told you guys that, there's nothing wrong with using it as political discourse because it certainly sends the message that something's not right in Washington.
Haven't you found now over the last 4 years that conspiracy theory is less and less an effective tool for exploring the corridors of power because conspiracy theories are now a dime a dozen and everything is a conspiracy theory and the zone is being flooded with them, devaluing the idea of conspiracy theory as a tool?
Well, I would say yes. I would say that that's why I rephrase it as parapolitical because conspiracy theory now is clickbaited and amateurish, and everybody has a conspiracy theory, and people send me stuff all the time, and I'm like, going, where does this come from? Think of motive, think of whatever. Conspiracy theories used to be well constructed, based on a lot of truths, based on circumstantial evidences. Now they just decide they were going to say, well, Hillary Clinton did this, and Hillary Clinton did that, and you're going, where did you come up with this? And people say, oh, well,